Hello, traders. FS Pep Collector here. Today is Monday, November 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So, on the pound dollar monthly, I still think there's a very good likelihood that this is going to turn into an uptrend. I think it's going to make like a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably eventually go up and take out these highs. Most likely go all the way up to one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this first push up right here is a 1. Now the euro dollar actually looks like this is an A, B, C. This one's a little too stretched out for me to believe that, but either scenario, whether this is the end of a wave 2 or whether this is the end of a wave 2, I do think there is a very good chance that this is going to end up continuing up and eventually making a wave 3, making a wave 4, and a wave 5 like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still have this labeled as an ABC Crescent because there's always a possibility it could be a Crescent to this last push down. But even if it is a Crescent, I think that it is going to go up to one of these higher fib levels before it potentially ends up continuing back down. And I actually think this could even be ending a wave 2, maybe even right here on the higher time frames with this breaker structure. And if that's the case, then yeah, it will bounce off some fib levels, but it will just keep on making higher highs and higher lows, all part of a big wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for longs. It does kind of look like it may have already ended in ABC Crescent right at the 61%. We do have a nice impulsive up. We do have a breaker structure. I would for sure be looking for longs on sort of time frames, especially with that breaker structure. We could be at the very early stages of the continuation of the uptrend. Now we do have CPI news coming out tomorrow for the dollar. That is definitely one of the big news events of the month for sure. So definitely be careful. If it makes some sort of a 1, 2, 3 wave up and it'll pulse it down, I would actually go short. But the fact that we have a breaker structure, the fact that it's holding above structure, tells me that it's more likely that it is probably going to make higher highs, higher lows. This probably is the end of an ABC correction, and it probably is going to just keep on trending up. So as long as it does continue to make higher highs, higher lows, I'm just going to continue to go long at the end of every pullback I see. If it does go down and it does break structure to the downside, then I would stop looking for longs and I would start looking for shorts again. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.